Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really needs. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update.
In this video, we are going to understand fraction. Fraction means any part be divided into some other part, that is called fraction. Before going to start the fraction, you have to know some basic terms. What is numerator and denominator? Look at here. Numerator and denominator. We are written the fraction 3 by 5. 3 is our numerator and denominator. The upper part should be always numerator and the down part should be always denominator. So you always remember upper part numerator and the down part is denominator. Now we will look at some figure, then it is easy to understand the fractional part. Look at this picture. A circle we will divide into 4 parts. Circle is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will count as 4. First we will line. Total part should be here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write total part here. How many parts are color part? 1 part. So we can write as 1 by 4. This is known as the fractional part of a circle. Someone asks what is the fractional part of here? That means color part and uncolored part. Color part and uncolored part. This is our color part and this is uncolored part. So color part is 1 part and uncolored part is 3 part. But total we have to write is here total. Uncolored part is 3 and color part 1. So we will add this together. We will call as total part. That is called denominator and numerator. The color part. Color part is numerator and uncolored part is denominator. So 1 by 4. We can read as 1 by 4. Look at some other example. This is a rectangle. But how many box I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, how many parts we color? 2 parts. So how we can write in this fraction? 2 is our color part and total is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6. We can read as 2 by 3. Otherwise we can 2 3s are 6. So we can also called 2 by 3. We can also called 1 by 3. 2 3s are 6. So 2 1s are 2 or 2 3s are 6. The common part is 1 by 3. We can also write is 1 by 3. Look at this triangle. How many part? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 and color part is 1. So we can write 1 is the color part and 3 is the total part. So we can call as 1 by 3. This is a square. A square means all sides are equal. So we will divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many color part? 1, 2, 3. So color part should be up and the total part should be down. So we can write as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is our fraction part of this square. Look at this picture. This is a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many boxes? 10 boxes. 10 boxes. How many color part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 4 is our color part and total is 10 our total box. So 4 by 10. Which is common table? 2 is the common table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Again we will go no. So we can write as also 2 by 5. We can call as 2 by 5 also. Otherwise 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Color part should be up and the bottom is a total part. So 4 by 10. 4 is the color part and 10 is total box. And with the common table 2 So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So we can write also 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is our actual answer of this fractional. In this video we are going to study fractional of multiplication. In the last two video we are study fraction of an addition, fraction of subtraction. If you don't know, you will go into my playlist, video is there. You will learn it, then you will come into the fraction of multiplication. 2 by 3 and 4 by 2. We will look at numerator and denominator. If they are coming some common number, then we will strike out. 2 and 2 is common, so we will strike 3 and 4. The abstraction should be taken numerator and denominator. The denominator and numerator should not have taken. That is wrong. So numerator and denominator, the cancel out will be taken numerator and denominator. Opposite, denominator, numerator and denominator, that is opposite side. Otherwise numerator and denominator in both side having, but is opposite, one in numerator side and another is a denominator, then it will abstraction going. So 3 and 4 is not common, so 4 by 3 is our required answer. 4 by 3 is the required answer. Look in this video. 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 6. So we will go to cancel out, because this is denominator, this is numerator, so it is possible to cancel out. 2 2s are 4 and 2 is also possible to cancel out, and 2 by 3 6 is also cancel out. 3 by 6 is also cancel out, because this is a numerator part and this is denominator part, so it is possible to cancel out. Remember that even one term is numerator and one term should be in denominator, then cancellation is possible. Otherwise cancellation is not possible. So we can cancel out 2 and 2. Now 3 and 6. 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 is 6. This is also 1, this is 1, this is 5, this is 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 5, then will become 5. And during multiplication you always remember the same cast, numerator multiple, denominator multiple. So here 1, here 1, here 2. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, so 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Do you remember that? Even multiplication is in the same cast, but during cancellation there should be opposite. The next 4 by 2, 5 by 7, 3 by 2 and 6 by 5. So we will look at the common. 4 and 2 common, 3 2 6 by 5. Then we will extract 2 by 6 is possible to extract, 2 by 4 is possible to extract. Yeah, 2 by 4 is possible to extract, otherwise no. So we will look at here. 4 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and these 2 and these 2 cancel out. Now which is, this is 7, this is 3, this is 6, so it's not possible. This is 5, this is 5. Yeah, 5 and 5 is cancelled. So what we have to do now? Now we have to multiply these two. Here 1, here also 1, here also 1. So 1 multiple 1, 1 into 3 is 3, and 3 6 are 18. How much? 18. It will become 18. 18. Now 2 into 1, 7. 7 1 just 7 and 7. That is 18 by 7 is the required answer. If you want, you can write in the whole fraction also. 7 2s are 14. 4 is carry and 7 is remainder. So we can also write 2 whole 4 by 7. And but you will write it 18 by 7, that is also 100% correct. If you write, that is a more renewable answer. 2 whole 4 by 7. 2 by 5, 7 by 8, 6 by 2 and 3 by 2. We can take it the common. 2 5, 7 by 8, 6 by 2. Yeah, common. 6 3 is 2, 3 is 6 and 3 2 is not common. So we can take 2 and 2. Yeah, 2 and 2 is a strikeout. And 8 6 3 is not possible. So we can do it 2 here 1 2 1 7 7 3 ja and 3 6 ja remaining. So 7 3 is 21 and 21 3 is 63. We can write 63. Now 8 5 is 40 and 40 into 1 40, 40 into 1 40. So total is 40. The answer is 63 by 40. 63 by 40. This is the important question. Look at this question. 4 by 3, 5 by 7, 11 by 7, 5 by 3. So in this question there is nothing common. 4 by 3, 7 and 5 by 7, 11 by 7 and 5 by 3. Nothing is common. No one can going to strike out. All are different number. So what we have to do? We can multiply in this number. This number should be multiplied in this number, and this number should be multiplied. Means numerator multiplication. This multiplication in this number, this multiplication this number, this multiplication this number. Means denominator by denominator. So 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 11, 220, 220 into 5, how much it will become? 11,100 by 3 into 7, 21, 21 into 7, how much? 147, and 147 into 3, how much? 441. 441. The answer is 1100 by 441. So this is important. If there is not coming any common number, you will multiply in the common by numerator multiplication and denominator by denominator multiplication. So this is our required answer. Thank you. In this video we are going to start fraction of division. This is our division sign. If you don't know the multiplication, addition, subtraction, you will go to the playlist is available. You can learn, then it is easy to understood division. This is our division sign. In the fraction of division, you will must have to remember when the division sign is available, the division should be changed into the multiplication like that. 3 by 5 division should be changed into multiplication. Then this is denominator will go numerator. This is numerator come into the denominator, means we can write 3 by 2. After that the same procedure of multiplication, means if the common term is available, numerator and denominator we can strike out. If not available, means numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. So there is no common, so numerator to numerator multiplication and denominator to denominator multiplication. So 3 3 is 9 and 5 2 is 10. So we can write as 9 by 10 is required. 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. If the divisible sign is available, then it must be division change into multiplication. That means numerator goes into denominator, denominator goes into numerator. Then we will the common procedure for the multiplication. If the same terms available, we can strike out. If the common number is coming, strike out. If not available, then you will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is your required answer, 9 by 10. In this question we will look 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 5 divisible change into multiplication, then numerator goes into denominator, denominator goes into denominator. So 3 by 2, then here see common. 2 is coming common, so 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So 2 multiply 3 is 6, and here 1 into multiply by 5, so 5. 6 by 5 is our required. 6 by 5 is our required answer. 12 by 15 divided by 10 by 15. So we have to do 12 by 15 is a common, divisible change into multiplication, 10 goes down and 15 comes up. So now is a 15 to 15 is a single terms, we will strike out, and the 2 is also common. 2 6 is 12 and 2 5 is 10. So 6 1 is 6 and 5 1 is 5. So 6 by 5 is our required answer. 6 by 5 is in required answer. Look at this type of question. Look at this type of question. If is not given denominator, na, we will consider as 1 as a denominator. Now the procedure 4 by 7 division change into multiplication and numerator goes into denominator, denominator is goes into numerator. So 4 by 7 multiple of 1 by 2. 2 is common. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So 1 into 2 is a 2 and 2 7 is a 7. So 2 by 7 is the required answer. 2 by 7 is the required answer. We will look at the another type question. Look at this question. We can write in this question also 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So we can write in the same question 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 division change into multiplication. So 1 by 2 then minus 3 by 1 we can write. So once 1 cancel out, then 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 by 2. The required answer is minus 3 by 2. I hope so you understood the multiplication and division, subtraction, and this video you will understood fraction of division. If you have any doubt, you can comment me and you will clear your doubt. Thank you.